Hello traders, welcome you all. In the second episode of our new video series, we will be talking about the verification process that you need to undergo before you start trading with the live account. As our verification process has become full automated, you can verify your account on your account analyzer by uploading the required documents. Now let me show you how easy it is. Alright, first of all, go to your account analyzer and click on the button EML KYC verification. If it is a face-to account like mine, you need to hit the upgrade button first and then the button for verification will show up. Once you hit that, you will need to follow the provided instructions. Here you need to select your country first and then you need to provide us a valid identity proof that can be any official government issued identification such as ID card, passport or driver's license. So first of all, I'm gonna select my country here and then I'll upload my driver's license. Okay, after uploading your proof of identity, you will be asked to verify your email address in the second step. Once you enter your email address there, a verification code will be sent to you. So let me do that. Okay. So I need to enter the verification code here in order to go to the next step. As I have entered the verification code, my email verification is done. Now I'll proceed to the third step. Okay, in the third step, you are asked to take a selfie. Just ensure your face is within the frame and slowly turn your head around in a circle when it is asked. If you want, you can continue on your phone as well. Well, in the fourth step, you need to upload your proof of residence. So we accept bank statements, utility bills, which are not older than 3 months. Internet, cable TV, house phone line bills, tax returns, council tax bills, government-issued certifications of residence, etc. But we don't accept screenshots, mobile phone bills, medical bills, receipts for purchases, or insurance statements. So I'll upload my bank statement here to move to the next step. In step 5, you are required to upload the signed agreement. You can download the independent contractor agreement on this page. In order to see how to fill out the agreement before uploading, you can just check out the short guide there. So these were the steps that you need to take to verify your account on your account analyzer. If you submitted the required documents, your account will be verified shortly. In the case of repeated rejection, kindly contact our team by emailing to verification@myforexfiles.com and resend your documents so that our team can assist you with the issue. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Also drop a comment if you still have any questions regarding the verification process. I'll gladly answer them. Well, in the next weeks, I'll be here again to answer another frequently asked question. So if you have any suggestions for the upcoming videos, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next weeks. So bye for now.